Judging from my face, this is not good. About the rail fanning community again. Gah. So earlier today, I saw a post stating that about that Hudson River for a helicopter crash, killing 4 people. Rest in peace to them. I can't even say it. But apparently, I found out it was the CEO of Siemens, and the Railfans are celebrating it. The younger ones, like, ugh. It's not funny to celebrate deaths. Not at all. People need a mental check. Like, fuck. I can't even speak about this. Just how mad I am. This CEO, the person who died, I found out was the CEO of Siemens. And you know, they associate Siemens with those Amtrak chargers. But it's not even the CEO of the Siemens that made the chargers. It's a different Siemens that I read. God. These Railfans, there was a reason why I've been making these harsh posts. It was about these Railfans, the younger ones. So many, and it's also why I've been so harsh and critical towards them. It's because of this stuff like this. They might, they can't even speak about this. Our community is cooked. They've already damaged our community beyond repair. Our reputation's bad. God. I mean, we've already had a bad enough reputation from past incidents. Like the Capital City Rail Productions incident that happened last April, and the Sebastian D. Young incident that happened a couple of years ago. It's just, God. And this is just not helping. It's clout chasing that these foamers want. They need to stop. I can't even go on. I can't. I'm going to. I've seen our community fall to where it is now. Been with the community since 2011 when I was 4. I've seen it, and it sunk down to where it is now. Like I started out I've been uploading for 7 years at this point. And then, yeah, I started out like that, but as I got older, I matured more. It's just clout chasing. It's clout chasing. That's what they want. Don't be like those younger rail fans, particularly those in the Midwest and the West, because they get everything fed to them. From what I see here in the Southeast, you need to be tough. Just so mad. Can't even go on because how speechless I am about what I saw. We need to stop all this clout chasing and get back to what the community was like 40 years ago. I'm gonna have to repeat myself again sometime. I'm just mad with these rail fans. Like when they purposely pissed off that one engineer and then try to film it like they were innocent. All because he wouldn't do what? Blow the horn? That was probably a quiet zone they were in. I can't do this. I can't deal with these rail fan, the younger ones anymore. I mean, like I just said, I've been with the community for 14 years, since I was 4 years old. Now soon to be 18-year-old me has seen where it's gone. I mean, 2024 was already bad enough year for Railfans, and 2025 it's not going to be even worse. I can't go on. I can't do without.